The Curatorial department at the Tampa Museum of Art essentially creates and implements exhibitions of all kinds. So anything that you see on the walls in the galleries is a result of the work of the Curatorial department. The changes that came with the renovation that affect the Curatorial department are the addition of the new galleries. So that gives us lots of opportunity to bring in outside artists, work with our permanent collection. Then with the changes to art storage, we have gained capacity for storage in a couple of ways. So behind me you'll see that we have painting screens. In our previous storage space we only had 9 painting screens, now we have 35 painting screens. That gives us a lot more space to hang our artwork safely in storage. Fun fact about these painting screens is that each individual screen weighs 900 pounds. So that's no small feat for this room to get upgraded and installed. We also have some really nice new drawers, so now we can access an object more safely and then put it back in. So those are big upgrades for us that we're excited about.